Alright, so I ordered a pair of New Balance Outdoor 90s edition. I think it was 2 days ago. I just got it in the mail. So I'm going to open it and check it out. Alright, so I got the box open. Here's the shoe. Cut it on accident. Alright. New Balance. There's the box. Size 10, that's the style. Wow, those are nice. Yeah, I really like those. Nice. Alright, so here's the shoe itself. It's pink, orange, and blue. The bottom of it. The laces. New Balance 574. It's got the marble sole. Side of it. Super nice. Alright, here's how they look on the feet. Very nice shoe. Alright, overall, I thought the New Balance 90s Outdoors Edition was a really good shoe. The colorway was amazing, and the laces are super cool, and the best part is that they're just super comfortable. They're really comfortable to wear, so I would recommend them. They're really good shoes.